Sa chéad Pictiúr feicim míad buachal agus cailín agus iad is cór an teopa ceol I lár an bhaile. So in this first picture we see a boy and girl and they're outside the music shop in the middle of the town. Tá galore urlashi ceol. The feicáil sa shop there's a lot of instruments, musical instruments that can be seen in the shop. Mar hampla feicim míad bosca ceol, bárán, concertine, banjo agus clárseach. So shop. So there's a lot of musical instruments that we can see, such as an accordion, a bárán, a concertina, banjo and a harp. Ghuras an tiopa feicim míad córtha ag fógart, gfuil sládmharga na cásca siúl faoi láthair. So on the door of the shop we see a sign announcing that there is a sládmharga siúl. Sládmharga is a sale. Sládmharga na cásca is the Easter sale is taking place at present. There in Calling will áthas mór orthaí an Ghaeilge eáil is siopa an bhaile seo. The girl says she's delighted to see the Irish language in the shop of the shops of the town. Eintín an buachal leihí, the boy agrees with her. Agus there sé gfuil an dúlgus ortha féin amháin chun an Ghaeilge a chur chun cín sa counter shop. So the boy agrees with her and says that it's on them alone that the duty or responsibility is to promote the Irish language. So chun an Ghaeilge a chur chun cín sa counter shop. So to promote it in this area. Very important, that particular box. Ceapan an Vertica, the two of them think nach bhfuil dóthain oibre nó ibre á dhéanamh ag daoine óga chun ar deanga dúchais a chur chun cín. So both of them think that they're not actually doing enough, especially young people are not doing enough to promote our native language. Cúpla ceis, cad atá siúl sa shop a faoi láthair, what's happening in the shop at the present time, agus cén fá gfuil áthas ar an gcalín. Why is the girl happy? Sa dara Pictiúr feicim míad an bheirt ina sí ag an riomhre, agus iad ag géirí turas chun na Gaeltachta a agrú. Very important that you have the grammar correct here, and it's on the screen for you. So in the second picture we see the two of them sitting at the computer as they are trying to organise a trip to the Gaeltacht. Is she an aimetá có ná go méid daoine óga an cheantar in an taistil go dtí an Gaeltacht ar feadh seachtaine I rithean tarug. So their aim is that young people would be able to, or the young people of the area would be able to travel to the Gaeltacht for a week during the summer. Agreeing on Vertical Gachrod, the two of them organise everything. On Lóistín, on bus, na rang na Gaeilge, agus na himachtaí a bheith ar siúl gach ihe. So the accommodation, the bus, the Irish classes, and the events or activities that will take place every night. Fógraíonn an cailín an turas chun na Gaeltachta ar a leathanach Facebook. So the girl announces the trip to the Gaeltacht on her Facebook page. Tá súlacha go gcuirfeadh gur de Sims turas seo. They hope obviously that their friends will have an interest in this particular trip. Agus go méid siad an mion dearfach I len na Gaeilge a bhúscailt I measc daoine óga an counter, and that they'll be able to engender or develop a positive attitude, a mion dearfach towards Irish language among young people in their area or of the area. Impian siad ar a gorda, they plead with their friends an scéal faoin turas a scapa ar Facebook agus Twitter to spread the story on Facebook and Twitter. Cúpla ceis, cén fá ghuail siad in na sí an riomhre, where they're sitting at the computer, agus a méid siad an scéal a scapa ar Facebook, and do you think they'll be able to spread the story on Facebook? Is léir ghuail an turas Gaeltachta faoi lán seo sa Pictiúr seo, feicim míad daoine óga agus Gaeilge láirteacha an tamar fad. So it's clear that the Gaeltacht trip is fully underway in this picture. We see young people and they're speaking Irish all of the time. Nuair bhíonn tú ar chórsa sa Gaeltacht, bíonn rial na Gaeilge I bhaim an tangaléir. So when you're in a course in the Gaeltacht, the Irish language rule is in place all the time. Ní cheadítar focail béir le labhart. Not one word of English can be spoken. Feicim míad daoine óga agus iad ag rince ag an céilí. We see young people dancing at the céilí. Tá céilí ar siúl ar an turas seo beag nach gach-oíche. So there's a céilí on in this particular trip almost every night. Is deis úntach nó iontach í an céilí chun búla le díle eile agus carda nua I dhéanamh. So it's a wonderful opportunity. It's a deis iontach nó úntach, as I say, depending on canúnt, an céilí chun búla le díne eile to meet with other people and to make new friends. So tríú Pictiúr feicim míad an ghrian ag tanmh go hard sa spéir. So in this third picture we see the sun is shining high in the sky, agus tá na daoine óga I gimmert etfella cuid. The grammatical term is a gimmert et fella, like a gimmert pella, cuid. So they're playing volleyball by the sea. Is léir mar sin gfuil aláimíochtaí siúl ag na daoine óga. It's clear that the young people have a lot of events or activities taking place an turas seo chun na Gaeltachta on this trip to the Gaeltachts. Cúpla ceis cén fág bhfuil na daoine ag labhart ascoig an tam go léir, why are they speaking Irish all the time, agus cén sort imachtaí a bheith siúla gach gcíthe, what kind of activities will take place every night. Sa Pictiúr seo tá ceorcail cainte Ghaeilge siúl sa scoil ag Amlón. So in this particular picture there's a ceorcail cainte chat circle, and it's an Irish language chat circle taking place at lunchtime. So a chat group, if you want to call it that. Bíonn an ceorcail cainte seo siúl ag an amcéine gach seachtain, so the circle takes place every week at the same time. Unas go méid seansig na daltaí chun an Ghaeilge labhart atarthu féin, so that the students will have an opportunity to speak the language amongst themselves. So atarthu féin is an important term. Is léir an Pictiúr seo gfuil gach duine ag buin tanamh an ceorcail cainte. It's clear from this picture that they're all enjoying it. Más míon lo fios a chur an Ghaeilge if they want to improve their Irish language an Ghaeilge labhartha, their spoken Irish language, beidh orthu deisina cainte mar seo a ghlacha gcónaí. They're always going to have to accept or take on spoken opportunities such as these. Si an aibis mó a bhaineann leis an Ghaeilge sna scoilne ná. The biggest problem associated with the Irish language in schools is nach labhraítear an teanga timpeall na scoile, that the language is not spoken. Nach labhraítear an teanga timpeall na scoile. Cé go bhfuil an Ghaeilge ag tromlach na náltaí, even though the Irish, or the majority of students, have an Ghaeilge, have some Irish. Má leanan na daltaí leis an ceorcail cainte seo feadh tamil. If they continue with this chat circle for a while, beidh siad níos líofa sa teanga, they'll be more fluent in the language gan doubt, without a doubt. Cúpla ceis cén fág bhfuil na daltaí sa ceorcail cainte seo, why are the students in this language or chat circle, agus an gapan tú go ndéanann an ceorcail cainte maithas dubh. Do you think the chat circle does them some good or benefit? I Pictiúr cuid tá I bhfad níos mó áisina digiteach ar fád trí Ghaeilge anois ná mar bhí blianta ó shin. So there's an awful lot more digital resources available through the Irish language than there were years ago. Is féidir leat app RTA Radio na Gaeltachta a íslódáil ar an bhón póca nó ar an iPhone, so you can download the RTA Radio na Gaeltachta app on the phone nó ar an iPhone. Feicimid an buachal ag éisteacht le Radio na Gaeltachta trí chlúsáin, so we hear the boy listening to Radio na Gaeltachta through headphones and seo. Now, feimhlár is a focal eile for app, so is féidir leat feimhlár RTA Radio na Gaeltachta I íslódáil ar bhón chumá. So tá so gána an sin, there's two phrases there that people use, feimhlár, not just app. Vector app mar AIP nó APP tá go leor firmacha den bhacha sin. Réinchaí. Spragan na daltaí a gcuirde chun éisteacht le ard na G. Níos minice mar chuig sé fios ar sciil na éisteachta. So the students encourage the other students, their friends, chun éisteacht le ard na G níos minice to listen to Radio na Gaeltachta more often, mar chuig sé fios ar sciil na éisteachta, because it will improve their listening skills, sciil na éisteachta. Anna tábhachtach ar fad. So dara cuid den Pictiúr seo feicimid na buachalaí ag fécint ar TG Carr sa seomra site. So in the second half of the picture, second portion of it, we see the boys watching TG Carr in the sitting room. Mullen an buachal TG Carr go hard na spire. The boy praises TG Carr to the heights. Agus deir sé gur fiú go mór do Ghaeilge a bheith ag fécint ar TG Carr. He says teenagers should really be looking at TG Carr. Míonn sé den bhuachal eile go mbíonn clár himúla de dhégóirí ar siúl ar TG Carr anois. He explains to the boy that there are interesting programs taking place for teenagers on TG Carr now. Clár fashionéise, documentaries, clár sport, sports programs, clár ceol, music programs, agus clár taisce and travel programs. Cúpla ceist. Cén fá ghuiil an buachal ag éisteacht leis an radio? Why is the boy listening to radio? Cén sort clár a bhíonn ar siúl ar TG Carr? What kind of programs are on TG Carr? I Pictiúr sé feicimid an buachal agus an chalín ina seasamh leis an bríomhide ag deireadh na scoil bhliana. In picture 6 we see the boy and the girl standing with the principal ag deireadh na scoil bhliana at the end of the school year. Brunnan and príomhide Gradamurhu, the principal, makes an award to them or presents them with an award. The Bhór Níochtaí an account of their efforts ar son na Ghaeilge on behalf of the Irish language in na bliana during the year. They're in private go nearna siad sárabar chun an Ghaeilge neartú ní hamháin sa scoil ach sa cheantar comá. So the principal says they did great work sárabar chun an Ghaeilge neartú to strengthen the Irish language. So we have this here sa scoil ní hamháin sa scoil, not just in school ach sa cheantar comá, but in the area as well. Tá cuma fíorhásta ar an murtacha inis. The two of them look really happy now. Tá siad gara agus anmhaíoch as an gradam seo. They are smiling. They're very grateful for this award. Gan doubt ceapann siad inis gur bhiú go mór an méid ibre nó oibre rinne siad chun an Ghaeilge a chur chun cín. So without a doubt they think that it's very much worthwhile inis gur bhiú go mór, that it was very much worthwhile doing the amount of work they did to strengthen or to promote the Irish language. And Ghaeilge chur chun cín is to promote the Irish language. An dúshlán atá ann inis, so the challenge that exists now is ná go gcaithfeadh siad níos mó ibre dhéine chun ról lárnach a chruthú don teanga is saoil an phobal sa counter. So they have to create a stronger role or central role for the language in the life of the community in the area. Batha teanga í a labhairt gan doubt. The life of language is in speaking it for sure. So sin seanachil agus cúpla ceis cén fá bhfuil an príomhide ag brother gradam ar na daltaí seo. Why is the principal presenting an award to these students? Agus an dóigh leat bhfuil siad sásta. Do you think that they are happy?